Looking for a car that offers thrilling performance without breaking the bank? You don't have to spend a fortune to find your dream ride. In this video, we're diving into the top 8 cheap cars you can buy in 2024 that are perfect for car enthusiasts and budget buyers alike. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Lexus IS300. A luxury sedan with the heart of a sports car, the Lexus IS300 is a great choice for anyone looking to blend style and performance. This car's rear-wheel drive setup, combined with the legendary 2JZ engine, the same one in the Toyota Supra, makes it a sleeper hit. Though not as fast as its BMW competitors, it's a fantastic entry point for drifting fans. You can find a solid IS300 for under $9,000, definitely a steal for anyone craving a reliable, yet fun-to-drive vehicle. Number 2. Chevrolet Corvette C5. If American muscle is more your style, the Chevrolet Corvette C5 delivers incredible value. With its LSV8 engine, this car offers serious performance. Whether you're just looking to cruise or planning to tune it for even more power, the C5 is an absolute blast. For around $7,000, you can own one of the most iconic American sports cars. It's a perfect platform for modifications, allowing you to easily boost horsepower without breaking the bank. Number 3. Toyota MR2. For a small, affordable, and thrilling ride, the Toyota MR2 is hard to beat. This lightweight mid-engine car is perfect for tackling tight corners and delivers a driving experience like no other. While the engine bay might be tricky to work on, once you start modding it, this car is a true pocket rocket. Turbocharging an MR2 can give you up to 250 horsepower for just $3,000 in upgrades. If you're willing to put in a little work, this car can provide tons of fun for just over $8,000. Number 4. Infiniti G35. A well-rounded and reliable option, the Infiniti G35 is basically a luxury version of the Nissan 350Z. Available as a sedan, coupe, or convertible, this car has plenty of options for customization. With a simple supercharger upgrade, you can get 400 horsepower without compromising reliability. Starting around $12,000, it's a great value for anyone looking for a sleek and powerful car without spending too much. Number 5. BMW 3 Series E36. The E36 is a legend among car enthusiasts, and for good reason. Its well-balanced chassis makes it an ideal platform for modifications, whether you're drifting, racing, or just enjoying spirited drives. If you're after cheap speed, a 325 can easily be turbocharged, or even LS swapped for an extra boost in performance. You can grab one for around $7,000, and with a little work, you'll have a car that can compete with much more expensive vehicles. Number 6. Saab 92X. This one's a bit of a sleeper. The Saab 92X is essentially a rebadged Subaru WRX, but you can often find it for a fraction of the price. While it shares many parts with the WRX, it doesn't come with the Subaru price tag. With a few simple upgrades, you can unlock the full potential of this all-wheel drive turbocharged sleeper. For around $8,300, you'll get a car that can easily keep up with much more expensive performance cars. Number 7. Honda CRX/Del Sol. The Honda CRX is one of the most iconic tuner cars, and for good reason. It's lightweight, nimble, and highly customizable. Whether you go for the 2-seater Del Sol or the classic CRX, both offer a range of options for performance upgrades. With the right mods, you can make your $4,000 commuter car a real contender on the track. A VTEC model can be found for as little as $9,000, offering great value for a modder's dream car. Number 8. Ford Mustang S197. If you're looking for something with plenty of aftermarket support, the Ford Mustang S197 is a fantastic option. These cars are known for their tunability and can be found for around $10,000. Whether you're adding a supercharger or just improving the suspension, there are endless possibilities for making the Mustang a beast on the road. There you have it, 8 amazing cars you can buy in 2024 without breaking the bank. From the Lexus IS300 to the Ford Mustang, these cars offer great performance and affordability. If you found this list helpful, Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more budget car tips and reviews. Happy driving!